Hello, welcome back to school. I'm looking at the time on here because I'm not sure how much time I have. I am gonna do this last. I got like 2 sections left before it gets into the fractions with these. I think I'll probably do the 2 sections and then call it a break for that. And then I'll do the fractions possibly when I get back from practicing, because I still need to practice. I still need to get the other half of me dressed and go and do that. So we are going to continue through this book here, which I don't know if you guys can see it. I think you can, but I don't know. We're going to continue with lesson 6, 7, and 8 and 9. We're just gonna do that in one chunk, and then we'll do the other. I think there's 3 pages in the other chunk. So let us continue with our wonderful figures with the number 6. Okay, this is on page 514. So it says, how many sides has this polygon? It has 6 sides. What is a polygon? I don't know what a polygon is. Write the figure that tells the number of sides. Again, you just write out the number 6. Write the figure that tells how many dots are in each rectangle. That would be the number 6. How many sides have 2 triangles? 6 sides. How many lines? Oh wait, I lost my spot. How many corners have 2 triangles? 6 sides. How many lines how many lines must you draw to make whatever this thing is? A triangle on top of a square. You need 2, 3. You need 6 lines to draw that shape. I have, let me see here. I have 2-cent piece. I can't read. I have a 2-cent piece and each single cent. Wait. Oh, and enough single cents each to make 6 cents. How many single cents have I? So we got 1 2-cent piece and a bunch of single cents. So if you have 1 2-cent, you would have 6 single cents to make 8 cents. If you have whatever these things are, buttons, are those buttons? If you have 2 buttons and 3 buttons, how much money? Oh, I guess there's some kind of money. How much money have you? I don't know. I'm gonna say that's 2 2-cent pieces and 3 single cents. I don't know. I need to see this because I think there's writing in here and I can't see the writing. So if I can flip you over and let's see here. We haven't got to that page yet. Okay, can anybody read that? Anyone? I can't read what this says. It looks like it says C and T. So there's 3 hold on. That says, that's got hash marks in it. It's got 3 hash marks. And that one says cent, I think. Let me try to make it really big because I am not reading this well. Hold on. Okay, so that's 3. That says CNT. I'm pretty sure that says CNT. What do you guys think? Does that say CNT? Or does that say 1? Does that say 1? Like ONE? I think it says 1. So we have 3 and 3. So that's 6. And then 1, 1, 1. Okay, I think we figured that out. I'm gonna make this smaller for you guys. Okay, so now that we figured that out, something's in my ear and it was not my finger. Okay, so we have 3 cents, so that's 6 cents, and then you have 1 cent 3 times, so that's 9 cents. You can have 9 cents. Okay, the next one. I hope I don't have to do that again because I don't like these. I took 3 2-cent pieces and a single cent to buy a top. How much did the top cost? 3 2-cent pieces. So that's 6 cents. And then a single cent is 7 cents. So the top costs 7 cents. A square corner, and a triangle will take how many lines? A square will take 4 lines. A square corner will take 2 lines. So that's 6 lines. And a triangle will take 9 lines. Now, why are we dealing with the number 9? I don't understand this. I thought we're dealing with the number 6. Okay, next problem. 3 cylinders have how many flat faces? 3 cylinders will have 6 flat faces. A cube has how many faces? A cube has 6 faces. 2 squares joined together will make how many lines? Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll make 7 lines. How many triangles are equal sides how many triangles with equal sides can you make about a point? What? How many triangles with equal sides can you make about a point? Show with 6 with some length. Oh, with the same length. How many triangles with equal sides can you make about a point? I think you can only do 4. I think you can only make 4. That's if I'm understanding the question correctly. But I think like they want you to put the triangle so that all the points are pointed in the center, if that makes sense. So it would kind of make like a square. But yeah. Okay, next lesson number 7. And we're dealing with the number 5 is our figure here. How many sides has this pentagon? 5 sides. Write the figure for write the figure that shows how many sides this pentagon has. So you just write out the number 5. Write the figure that shows how many dots are in each rectangle. So I guess you write out the dots that are in the rectangles. Which is kind of weird, because this, in my book, it looks different. Because they don't have 4 and 1. Well, they do have 4 and 1. Oh, but they don't have 5 and 0. That's weird. Okay. Next one says, write the figures that show how many dots are in each square. Oh, okay. Interesting. Alright. Illustrate and write what, oh gosh. Yeah, illustrate and write your answers in figures. The first one says, how many corners has this pentagon? 5 corners. How many corners has a pentagon and a square? 5 and 4 are 9. You have 9 corners. How many corners have a square and a rectangle? That would be 4. That would be like 7 corners. Wait, hold on. That's a square and a triangle. Okay. How many corners has this square holding a triangle? 3, 4, 5. No, 4 and 7 are 9. No, 4 and 3 are 7. So it's going to have 7 corners. How many feet is around a triangle? That is 3 feet on each side. How many feet in a triangle that is around a triangle? How many feet is around a triangle that is 3 feet on each side? So that would be 9 feet, because I think you take 9. No, you take the 3 feet and you multiply it 3 times. Or something like that. Or do you add it 3 times? I don't know. Next one. How many walls has a room counting the ceiling? That's 4 walls and the ceiling is 5 walls. How many square inches of paper will cover the top of a box an inch wide and 4 inches long? How many square inches? That would be 5 square inches, if I'm doing this correctly. The next one says, how many square inches of paper will cover the top of a box 3 inches long and 2 inches wide? 3 inches long and 2 wide. That would be 6 squares of paper. And then the last one on this page. How many square corners can you make about a point? Show with sticks. How many square corners can you make about a point? I gotta do this in my head. So you could do 1, 2. I think you can only do 4 square corners about a point. Okay, that concludes that page. The next page, it deals with the number 2. Or do you guys want to, like, maybe I should put this in another video. Let me see. Darn it, I can't tell what the time is on here. Oh well, I'll do this page and the next page. Page 56. We're getting closer. Lesson 8. How many I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get it done. How many curved lines has this ring? It has 2 curved lines. Write the figure that shows how many corners, how many curved lines a ring has. That would be 2. Copy the drawings at the top of the page and write the figures 2 under each. Okay, I can do that. Illustrate and write the answer in figures. How many flat sides has a cylinder? Oh, and then it has a picture of a cylinder, I think. It has 2 flat sides. How many ends has a line? 2 ends has a line. How many square inches of paper will cover the top of a box? 5 inches long and 1 inch wide. Do you only need 5 squares of paper? I'm still trying to wrap my head around these square inches. Okay, the next one says, where did it go? Here it is. How many square inches of paper will cover the the end of a box 2 inches wide and 2 inches long? You'd need 4 squares of paper. How many 2-inch wide and 2-inch... Wait, I think I lost my spot. How many square inches can you mark off in a rectangle that is 3 1/2 inch is long and 2 inches wide. How many square inches can you mark off? That is 3 inches and a half inches. You could mark off a half inch, and that's it. How many inches? I think you can only mark off a half inch. I don't understand that one. But moving on. Would you mark off 2 inches and 3 inches? That would be fine. Would you mark off 5 inches? Because you can't mark off the half inch because it's not an inch. It's only half. Okay, I'm going to say you can mark off 5 inches. The next one says, how many square inches are in a square 3 inches on one side? That would be only 3. How many square inches are in 3 inches? I think it's only 3 square inches, but I don't know. Okay, the next one says 2 squares have how many more inches, how many more sides than 2 triangles? Okay, 2 squares have 2 more sides than triangles. Because triangles only have 6 sides and a square has 2 squares have 8 sides. Okay, the next one says 3 cylinders have how many flat faces? 3 cylinders will have 4, 6. They're going to have 6 flat faces. A square and a triangle have together how many more sides than a pentagon? Okay, a pentagon has 5 sides. A square and a triangle has 4 and 3. That's 4 and 3. Oh, that's 7 sides. So the square and the pentagon are going to have 5, 2 more sides than the pentagon. Or is it 3? I think it's 7 sides. Yeah, it's only 2 more sides. I was thinking on the number 8, and I don't know why. Okay, lesson 9 on page 57. And this is going to conclude what I'm going to do right now. I need to get comfy. Okay. The word minus means less than. Less by. Then, let me see here. Thus, 5 minus 2 are 3. Express in figures given the answers. What? Express the figures and give the answers. Okay, so they want you to draw these square. Oh my gosh, this is big. This is long. Okay. So they want you to draw these out. So this would be 4 and 1, and then 4 and 5. My eye is gonna go all buggy. Oh, I'm gonna move you guys. Okay. 4 and 1 are 5. 4 and 5 are 9. 5 and 1 are 6. 6 and 1 are 7. If I'm counting these up right, my eyes are getting all wonky right now. 4 and 2 are 6. 2 and 5 are 2 and 5 are 7. And oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 7 and 2 are 9. And 5 and 4 are 9. And 5 and 2 are 7. And 2 and 3 are 5. And 2 and 2 are 1. 2 and 2 are 4. And 2 and 4 are 6. And then on the other side, 5 minus 4 are 1. I'm going to say this is a big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think this is 9. 9 minus 4 are 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 5 are 1. Oh my gosh. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 5 are 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 minus 5 are 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 2 are 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 2 are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 2 are 5. 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 6 are 3. 6 minus 4 are 2. 7 minus 6 are 1. I think I did that right, but I don't know, because counting up all those lines is really hard on my eyeballs. Okay, the next one says, read and give the answers, which means I'll probably have to write all these out. Okay. Ooh, these look like they might go pretty quick. Okay, 2 and 4 are 6. 2 and 5 are 7. 2 and... No, that's 4. 5 and 4 are 9. 5 and 2 are 7. I'm going to move over to the right. 2 and 7 are 9. 4 and 1 are 5. 5 and 1 are 6. 6 and 1 are 7. Again to the right. 4 and 5 are 9. 4 and 2 are 6. 7 and 2 are 9. 2 and 2 are 4. And then you got the minuses. 9 minus 2 are 7. 9 minus 4 are 5. 9 minus 5 are 4. 9 minus 7 are 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 are 2. 6 minus 2 are 4. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. And that concludes at least everything I'm going to do for right now for arithmetic. The next section deals with the number 3. And I don't know if I'm going to do that one right away because my eyes are getting tired. So, if you want to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.